Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you customize alarm sound on iPhone. So at first just go to your clock. Now just click the bottom second option and now just set an alarm like this. Now just double click on this alarm. And here you can see the third option here is sound. Click on it. This one. Now you can just change the sound of the alarm, any sound you want. Here you can see pick a song option. You can just pick a song from your library. So guys, that's how you can customize alarm sound on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.